Yo, what's good everybody? Kieran Can't Yo-Yo here, back again with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm teaching you a super cool tower that I made. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. Whoa, bang. And there's the whole trick. Couple things before we get into this video. Going to be using the Deviant Plus for this tutorial. And this video is obviously sponsored by Yoyo UK, so you can head on over there and yeah, use code Kieran for 5% off. Anyway, yeah, let's get into this video. So to start off with, you're going to roll into your basic trapeze like so, and open it up by putting your thumb in there as well. From here you can pinch with your index finger and your middle finger on your non-throw hand like so, so you can create this slack. And then what you're going to do once you have this slack, make sure that you leave these strings completely lined up, but you're going to push your index finger pointing towards you down, right? And then you can just roll onto those two strings. That is kind of the setup for this trick, just bang. From here you can pinch with your index finger and drop the slack. So you should have the yo-yo on your thumb and this cool loop. From there you can put the loop into the yo-yo, making sure that both sides go over. Don't really know how else to explain that, so look again. So basically you're going to point the slack towards you so that the index, like the middle finger slack, is facing away from you, is like the further one. And you're going to get both of these two not in the gap of the yo-yo like so. So it should be in like this weird, like almost tower looking mount, but not quite. And you should notice that like the string just sort of wraps around a trapeze. Here you can just roll it over by crossing your arms like so. And then once you've crossed your arms, all you're going to do is reject. And then once you've crossed your arms, all you're going to do is reject this bottom string attached to your middle finger out the back, like this. And that should form a tower like so. From here, you can drop this entire string formation on your index finger, and then you just need to pull like that little knot apart. I know it seems a bit funky, and to be honest with you, it is a bit of a janky tower, but I thought it was just a really cool one. So I thought, you know, you might want to learn it. But anyway, yeah, once again, like, once you're here, just reject off the back, and then drop, and then you should notice that there's this big loop here. So you're just putting your fingers into the top of this loop like so, and pulling it apart. From here you're in like a weird sub-mount looking thing, so you can pop off the front, and then whip this string into the gap of the yo-yo and bind. And yeah, that is the whole trick, so I'll go over it one more time for you, and then you can be on your merry way. So trapeze and thumb in the trapeze, and then pushing down, then pinch, get the slack around that trapeze, put it over, and then reject off the back, then drop the tower, separate, and then pop from the back. Looks like I wasn't quite able to do the bind because of a bit of a shoddy bearing, but hopefully you know what to do from there. You can just bind however you like. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment and all that nonsense, and yeah, I guess
that I throw on, but I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah, I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah. frown on my little face. Why am I so freaking cute sometimes, yeah? Such drama